On today's adventure, we're going to give you a front row ride on the Tennessee Tornado, which is a roller coaster at Dollywood theme park in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. That opened in April of 1999. It hits a max speed of 63 miles per hour, and you can see all the different decorations around the building as we're heading over to the main entrance right here, the dynamite storage. There is a place for you to store your bags. They do have some lockers here, but you take an immediate right, and as you head up some stairs, there is some info on the wall. If you want to pause the video, you can read more about this particular coaster. Ride time, 1 minute and 48 seconds. As we walk through the queue, you can see some different posters over to the right here. As we get up here to the top, you can see there are 14 lanes, and I'm going to put you guys in the front seat, so sit back, relax, and let's ride the Tennessee Tornado. That's going to wrap up our ride of the Tennessee Tornado. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever been on this roller coaster, or would you like to try it out next time you come to Dollywood Theme Park? Make sure you're subscribed if you're new, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure.